Lil B. Yeah, I just killed the rap game, it's done. Don't ask me no more. I know hard days, happy I'm a man now. Did my little goon shit, yeah, I had to sit down. Growing up, real niggas rap, fake niggas act. Minivan today, Halloween, cause we wearing masks. Feel like a hoe on the strip, cause I got a Mac. If a red beam hit him first, aiming to his back. Real goon shit, caught a bullet like a running back. Brand North open, got grenades, ain't no coming back. Real West Coast shit, run like the Taliban. The AK cost 2800 like Son of Man. Put a sucker nigga on stage like Summer Jam. My gun got all peanut butter, I don't never jam. You living in Neverland, but you never ever can. You rap niggas got no legs cause you never ran. On the top floor at 4-5s like the son of Sam. Really wanna battle Lil B, that's 100 grand. And you ain't got 100 grand. I eat you for the motherland. Don't ever speak with Lil B, speak, hit a man. Feeling like the head chief with my tiny pants on. Let me remind you niggas, bitch, I made the van song. Shouts out to Wolfpack, still a young nigga, man. No, I never leave what we started, bro, I promise that. Only time I leave when bitch niggas start to infiltrate. Feel in the air and you looking like a dinner plate. Man, I'm so hungry that my bones showing through my face. Damn near ride my own bitch for a better space. Loyalty ain't shit now, I'm searching for the real shit. That 2 twin tower earthquake type of real shit. No got a deal but still grind type of real shit. The only real niggas like me spit that ill shit. Okay, you niggas want me stop that pretty bitch shit, but y'all can't fuck with me. Be that pretty bitch then. I don't say homo cause I'm a fucking thug. Should've been TLC, you a fucking scrub. Don't understand me, I don't understand me. I'm the only rapper that can do what I wanna do. I'm the only nigga that can say what I wanna say. All these other niggas getting booed like OJ. I respect OJ, a fan of the juice, man. Know about Kool Keith, I listen to the roots, man. Niggas say what they wanna say about Lil B. Till you get the fame and respect, it don't mean a thing. Till you get the car in the house, boy, it's all a dream. Feel like Malcolm X and think of Martin Luther King. Bitches think of Big Meech, Ross rapping in the game. If you say Lil B suck, you're a fucking lame. I don't want awards and I don't want the fucking like. I think I'm the source, so I gave myself 5 mics. Niggas in jail waiting on to get their next kite. Only time I'm in jail is sucker try to take my life. Understand, but I just turned positive. Woke up today and I seen what my options is. And I know about these fake niggas infiltrate the game, and I show you haters fake niggas. I am the earth, so you are what you eat. Every rapper in the game getting ate by Lil B. If you niggas disagree, well, put it on the record and you niggas ain't ready. It's like you on the summer league. How I rap, man, I feel like I coach a team. More money, more problems, it's the same thing. Real nigga definition, you a fake nigga. Tattoos ain't shit but a little bit of paint, nigga. Remember that when you go and get your new tat, you do it for the bitches. I do it cause I had to rap. Remember, go get your education. We playing in the game where they judge by your races. That's why sometimes people getting faceless, trying to look like what they did in the Matrix. Man, it's finna be a cold summer. Only got one friend, Coyote and the Roadrunner. All these rap niggas start to rap like Drake now. And he a good dude, but shit, I'm a hood nigga. People shitted on my life for as long as I can imagine. Listen to DMX depressed while I'm rapping. Shapes going through my body, manhood came fast, puberty right beside it. People ask me why I stay writing. It's released like I'm acting. Contract my notepad. Anything, remember me as a legend that never took no for an answer. Strive for the dreams that move around like dancers, looking to myself for the answers. Newborn child in my arms, see the light, another chance given at life. Let's make it right, lead the world, stop the fight, Lil B, bitch.